At dahil napakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong Arden Botanical Village and the clubhouse itself, meron akong lot recommendation sa inyo. So this one, as you can see, no, you are just beside this clubhouse or Arden Clubhouse. And this one is Block 7, Lot 26. And by the way guys, this is 492 square meter lot. So guys, no, medyo malaki siyang lot. It's 492 square meters, and the good thing, beside ka mismo nito clubhouse natin. And pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano to kaganda because this 492 square meters, you will just pay for as low as 29,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, 0% interest in 5 years. You can already own this 492 square meter lot. So, one of the feature nito, tara, tignan natin. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, no, napakaganda ng lote na to guys because in this lot, all the lots kasi beside this clubhouse is meron siyang access beside this swimming pool area. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa side na to, no, nandito na agad tayo sa pool area mismo ng clubhouse natin. So, andito na tayo sa natural swimming pool with loungers. So, ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo is this is an extension of your property already. So, ulitin ko lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Actually, dito, no, maglalagay ka lang dito ng mini fence, no, just to have an access here. And tamang-tama guys, hindi nyo na po kailangan magpatayo ng swimming pool dito sa mismong lote na to dahil meron na tayong pool access. So, i-flash ko ulit sa screen yung sample computation nitong lot. This lot is the price is 23 million net of discount. Pero guys, no, dahil 5 years to pay naman siya at 0% interest, starts 29,000 per month with annual lump sum, no? Anytime naman, you can pay advance payment. After 5 years, hindi na ito ang presyo niyan. Once na matayo ang shop house district, commercial district, institutional, the school, and the offices na gagawin dito sa Arden. Again, this is Block 7, Lot 26, 492 square meter. You can already own this lot with only 70,000 pesos reservation fee, and then after 30 days, you will start paying 29,000. So, guys, kunin nyo na to. Sobrang ganda na to. If you're interested, you may contact me in my number, +63 977 4300 276. You may contact me in my number below if you're interested in this property because this is the last lot available beside this clubhouse. Guys, ulitin ko lang. This is the last lot available po beside this clubhouse because sabi ko nga kanina sa previous vlog ko, very limited lang yung mga lots na katabi nitong clubhouse. Ganda lang kasi yung property mo, kadikit niya mismo, may link ka or may access ka diretso mismo sa swimming pool. So, call now if you want to reserve this lot.